We have called this press conference today to highlight two very important issues. One is the issue of the Sanjay School Vocational Center, which has been closed for the last 3 months. The parents have been going from pillar to post to get the vocational center opened. And last month we had a meeting with the member secretary where she expressed her inability to start the center in the absence of available premises. After that, we have returned to the Honorable Chief Minister for a meeting, and as 15-20 days passed, the Honorable Chief Minister was not giving a meeting to the parents. 5 days back, we requested the Honorable Social Welfare Minister to have a meeting with the parents and come to a amicable solution on the matter. However, as he also did not make time for the parents of the Sanjay Center, the Sanjay School Vocational Center parents have decided to take out a morcha tomorrow at Azad Maidan at 10:30 a.m. So we will be supporting them, and we request all the parents and students of the Sanjay School to come to the Azad Maidan in support of the parents of the students of the Sanjay School Vocational Center. We also request other parents and students who have children with intellectual disabilities to come out in support of the Sanjay School Vocational Center. We are very surprised that Honorable Chief Minister or the Honorable Social Welfare Minister does not have even 10 minutes to listen to the grievances of the parents or persons with disabilities so that they can be resolved at the earliest. The second issue that we would like to highlight today is regarding the Agasai matter, where a dead person has returned after 2 months. We are finding, after going through the newspaper reports and the TV, the news items on the TV, there is a lot of confusion in the matter, and to put things right, we are demanding a magisterial inquiry into the matter, and we have written to the North Goa collector on the same. This is a serious matter because the person involved is a person with mental illness, and there are a lot of discrepancies which are showing in the matter, and we do not want a repeat of such a case. So if there is anything wrong in the matter, anything illegal in the matter, if there is a nexus between the police and the GMC and any other persons or family members of the family members or people with mental illness, it has to be brought to light. Also, we want this matter to be brought to light because we do not want family members of the mentally ill to get ideas from this very case, where you take a body of an unidentified person and you bury him and claim that he is that member, so that you can claim the property of the disabled person. Okay, so we are demanding a magisterial inquiry. Let the inquiry come out. Let us see whether there is anything wrong or there is nothing wrong in the matter.
Such a case has been happened before.
Cases have happened, but not of mentally ill persons. Okay, they have to find out also whose body was that of the unidentified person who was buried in his place.
Okay. You have mentioned about the protest.
They are saying no places. The Sanjay School management is saying no places available. So we had sought an appointment with the Chief Minister about 15 days back. So he has not given appointment, and Minister Social Welfare also has not given appointment to the parents to address the issue.
So initially where it was started?
It was in the old SCRT building.
So they have shifted from there, no?
They were told to shift.
But they are not given new place.
No, not given a new place, and that they were told to shift by the State Disability Commissioner in March 23 they were told to shift because the building was not safe. Okay, then in September that incident happened where the boy fell down from the balcony. Okay, and after that the classes were closed. So after that, they have still not opened the classes. So if the Honorable CM does not intervene in the matter, I don't think there's going to be a solution to
But
the issue.
why Sanjay School?
Vocational centers of Sanjay School, no?
So they have put it there. Now they want it returned back there.
No, they don't want to return back there.
Mhm.
They want to return over there, but that building is already declared unsafe.
Okay.
Okay, so they have to find new premises, which they are not able to find after going to various departments. So the Honorable Chief Minister has to intervene in the matter.